Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to install DNG presets in Lightroom Mobile on Apple devices. You would need to download the presets first. After purchase, you will be redirected to a download page from where you can download the presets. You would also be sent an email with the links. You can use either, whichever is easiest for you. Remember to check your spam and junk mail folders in case the emails ended up in there. Once downloaded, the presets should be in your Downloads folder. So go on back to your home page and launch the Files app. If you do not know where to find the Files app, simply use your search function to find it. Once in the Files app, we need to find the Downloads folder. If you are not already in it, simply go back to the Browse section of the Files app and open the iCloud drive. Then, proceed to open the Downloads folder. Now we need to unzip the preset folder. If you have a lot of downloads here, simply search for the collection name in the search bar to find it. Now tap on the folder to unzip it. Then open the unzipped folder and proceed to tap on the DNG folder to unzip that as well. Tap to open the unzipped DNG folder. Now we need to select all the DNG files. To do so, tap on the three dots on the top right-hand corner and tap Select, then tap Select All. Tap the share icon at the bottom left corner and look through the apps to find Lightroom. If you do not see Lightroom here, scroll all the way and tap More. Find Lightroom in the list of apps and select it. It will prompt you to launch Lightroom now, so go on and select it. Once the DNG files is loaded in Lightroom, simply tap Show Me to view them. If you didn't get that pop-up, simply make sure you are in the Edit tab, then tap the album drop-down and select Imports. Now tap to select the imported DNG images. You might have to tap the drop-down next to the date to show all the files. You can now tap Add To in the bottom left corner and select Create Album. If you already have some albums and do not see Create Album, just tap on the plus icon next to Albums. Then just name the album according to the collection you want to save. Then tap OK and then Add. If the DNG files did not open in the newly created album, just click on the drop-down and select the album you have just created. Now we just want to sort the DNG files so we can save them in the correct order. To do so, tap the Sort By icon, usually on the top right-hand corner, and select by file name. Now we are ready to create the presets, so go on and select the first one. Once the DNG image is open, proceed to tap on the Preset icon, usually at the bottom. Make sure the Yours panel is selected. Now we want to tap on the three dots on the top right-hand corner. Make sure Show Partially Compatible Presets is on if you have that option, and select Create New Preset. Name the preset accordingly. In this case, it is 01 Black 01. Tap the drop-down under Preset Group. Select Create New Preset Group. Name it according to the collection we are saving. In this case, it is Black the Preset Bay. Hit the check mark on the top right-hand corner. Hit the check mark again. We have now created the first preset. To create the second, simply close the preset panel, tap the back icon on the top left-hand corner, and open the second DNG image. Proceed to open the preset panel again. Select the three dots on the top right-hand corner and select Create New Preset. Name the preset accordingly. Tap the drop-down under Preset Group and select the newly created preset group. Tap the checkmark when done. You can now simply repeat these steps for all the other presets until they are all saved. Once you have finished saving all the presets, we can proceed to apply them. To do so, we will need to open an image on which you want to apply the preset to. So firstly, close the preset panel, then tap the back icon on the top left-hand corner. The appearance here will differ depending on your version of Lightroom. You will need to navigate Lightroom here and find the image you want to edit, either from your camera roll or one you have already imported. Once you have the image opened, proceed to tap on the presets icon. Then make sure the Yours panel is selected. Then find the collection name here and tap on it. Select the desired preset to apply. You can now either select the checkmark if you are done, or you can tap on the icon left from the preset name to adjust the intensity. Slide the slider left or right to increase or decrease the strength of the preset and tap the checkmark when done. And there you go. You can now successfully import and apply the presets. That's all from us in this tutorial. We do hope you enjoy the presets. Till next time,